As we know with tench fishing, stealth is everything. In fact, a wise man once wrote that to be a successful angler you have to study to be quiet. As quiet as this. We like them because they're beautiful fish, they fight hard, they're an iconic fish of the early summer. You catch them in nice places and they're just a real pleasure. I look forward to them every winter. I look forward to my tench fishing in spring. We're trying new water, a prolific lake apparently, here at Horcott, near Fairford. So far nothing, which is disappointing because we've all driven a fair way to be here. But we're confident when the lake warms up a bit later on this afternoon that there'll be a feeding spell. I'm out on the feeder at the moment, just a little metal feeder with some dampened pellets, a little mini boilie or a little wafter bait, one of these bright pink jobbies. And then on the inside line, I've been just feeding hemp and maggots over a bit of ground bait. So I've got two lines going here. At the moment, nothing's happening on either of them. Rod tip wrap round, feeder had been out about 30 seconds, and a gentle 3-foot twitch. Do scrap it here. Okay, this is the wolf rake head. When you buy the wolf, you'll pull a useless piece of red plastic off and you'll find there's a hole there for no reason at all. Perfect for bolting your two bits of rake together. Another two holes obviously at the end, and then a few cable ties, and you have the best tench rake I've ever used. Oh, I know how to pull. This one did its best to get into those weeds out there. There we go. Fighting fit male fish. Tried to pull the rod in, tried to bury me in the weed. Lovely scrap, it's all going well.